Alright, so the last gas will be oxygen gas, and oxygen gas is usually produced when hydrogen peroxide is added to a solution. Okay, to test for oxygen gas, you should be using a glowing spleen. And when you add hydrogen peroxide to the solution and effervescence is observed, okay, and effervescence is observed, alright, you should cap the test tube so that the pressure will build up, and while waiting for the pressure to build up, prepare a glowing spleen. Okay. So if the gas produced is oxygen gas, because oxygen supports combustion, the glowing spleen will rekindle. Okay.